It was hard work of course, but I really enjoyed making this video. Do watch. इस वीडियो में थर्ड कंडीशनल की प्रैक्टिस तो होगी ही, साथ ही मैं काफ़ी सारे idioms और phrasal verbs भी आपको दे पाऊंगा. If you're my regular audience, you'd know I don't believe in teaching through the rules, but by the ear. So here are 50 third conditional sentences from Hindi to English. Let's begin. First one. अगर तुमने समय से दवा ली होती तो अब तक तुम ठीक हो जाते. If you had taken the medicine on time, you would have pulled through by now. Over here you have pull through, the phrasal verb means to recover. Second one, अगर हम थोड़ा पहले चले होते तो कम से कम last moment पर तो पहुंच ही जाते. If we had started off a little earlier, at the very least, we would have made it just under the wire. Under the wire, you have the idiom which means in the last minute or at the last moment. Number 3, अगर हम अपना मैसेज ज़्यादा क्लियरली रखते तो हमारे दर्शकों तक बेहतर पहुंचता. If we had presented or conveyed our message more clearly, it would have got across to our audience better. You have the phrasal verb get across, which means to convey a message successfully. Number 4, अगर तुमने मुझे मजबूर ना किया होता तो मैं ये बेकार मूवी देखने कभी ना आता. If you hadn't twisted my arm, I would not have agreed to watch this crappy movie. So to twist someone's arm means to force or persuade someone, किसी को मजबूर करना. Number 5, अगर हमने रिस्क का अंदाज़ा ठीक से लगाया होता तो ये प्रोजेक्ट फेल ना होता. If we had properly assessed the risk, the project would not have fallen through. To fall through is a phrasal verb to mean to fail or to collapse. Coming to number 6, अगर तुम मुझे गाइड ना करते तो मैं ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ना कर पाता. If you hadn't guided me, I would not have been able to work out this problem. So to work out something means to solve something, usually a problem or a question. Number 7, अगर तुम इस स्वेटर में रोज ना सोते तो ये इतनी जल्दी ना घिसता. If you hadn't slept in this sweater daily, it wouldn't have worn out so quickly. So to wear out means to damage something with overuse, ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल से घिस देना. Coming to number 8, अगर तुमने जो कहा था वो किया होता तो तुम्हारी इतनी बेइज्जती ना होती. If you had walked the walk, you wouldn't have been disgraced so. So to walk the walk means to do what you have claimed to do. जो कहा है उसे कर कर दिखाना. Number 9, अगर तुमने सुना कर मुझे थका ना दिया होता तो मैं कभी भी उनसे मिलने ना जाता. If you hadn't worn me down with your constant nagging, I would never have gone to meet them. So to wear someone down means बोल कर किसी को कुछ करने के लिए मनवा लेना. Number 10, अगर हमने बर्गलर अलार्म ना लगवाया होता तो कल रात चोर हमारे घर घुस आते. If we hadn't installed a burglar alarm, burglars would have broken into our house last night. So to break into some place, enter by force and enter secretly. Now let's invert the sentence structure with the main clause coming first and the if clause coming second. Number 11, तुम वेडिंग पर इतनी अच्छी ना दिखती अगर तुम बिना सोचे समझे अपनी ड्रेस चुन लेती. You would not have looked this good at the wedding if you had chosen your dress at random. At random means without any plan, idea or order, बिना सोचे समझे. Number 12, बहुत लोगों के साथ गलत हो जाता अगर तुमने अपनी आवाज़ ना उठाई होती या तुम अपनी आवाज़ ना उठाते. A lot of people would have been wronged if you hadn't spoken up. To speak up यानी किसी गलत चीज़ के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाना. Number 13, हम आगे ना होते अगर तुमने अपना दिमाग ना लगाया होता. We would not have been ahead of the game if you hadn't applied your mind. To be ahead of the game is an idiom which means किसी advantageous position में होना, बेहतर स्थिति में होना. Number 14, हम बुरी तरह थक चुके होते अगर हमें होटल ना मिलता आराम करने के लिए. We would have been badly worn out if we hadn't found a hotel to wind down. So over here you have wear out, which means थक जाना, and you have wind down, which means to relax. Number 15, हमारी टीम को फर्स्ट प्राइज ना मिला होता अगर उसने हटकर ना सोचा होता. Our team wouldn't have won the first prize if she hadn't thought outside the box. So to think out of or outside the box means हटकर सोचना or to think in an innovative manner. Number 16, तुम्हारा बॉस तुम पर भड़का ना होता अगर तुमने उसे फिर से काम के नाम पर गोली ना दी होती. Your boss would not have gone off on you or lashed out at you if you hadn't given him the runaround again when it came to work. So to go off on someone or lash out at someone यानी किसी पर भड़क जाना और किसी को गोली देना या बहाना बनाना to give the run around. 17 तुम इस मुश्किल से कभी बाहर ना आते अगर तुम हालातों का सामना हिम्मत से ना करते. You would have never overcome this difficulty if you hadn't taken the bull by the horns. So to take the bull by the horns is an idiom which means to face a problem directly with courage. Number 18 हम इस मामले को बेहतर सुलझा लेते अगर हमने आपस में बातचीत की होती. We would have resolved this matter more efficiently if we had taken the discussion offline. So to take something offline means to discuss something more privately. Number 19 मैं तुम पर गुस्सा ना हुई होती अगर तुम समय से आ जाते. I wouldn't have been mad at you if you had turned up on time. So to turn up means to arrive. Number 20 मैं पता नहीं क्या करता अगर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से हेल्प मांगने ना जाता. I don't know what I would have done if I hadn't turned to my parents. So to turn to someone means to go to someone for help or advice. Number 21 हमारी कंपनी इससे भी ज़्यादा कमा चुकी होती अगर हमने वो कोलैबोरेशन की होती. Had we pursued that collaboration, our company would have turned over even more. Turnover, a phrasal verb which means to earn. Number 22 हम और भी मफिन्स बना देते अगर मैदा बचा होता. Had we left over refined flour, we would have turned out more muffins. Turn out, a phrasal verb which means to produce. Number 23 अगर तुमने उनके काम में दखल देकर उन्हें नाराज ना किया होता वो हमें मिलने आ चुके होते. Had you not stepped on their toes, they would have come to meet us. So to step on someone's toes means to upset them, especially by interfering in someone's area of work or responsibility. Number 24 अगर मैंने बेहतर जॉब का इंतज़ार ना किया होता तो आज मैं बहुत अच्छे लेवल पर पहुंच गया होता. Had I not held out for a better job, I would have been at a much higher level today. So to hold out for something, to wait for something. Usually something better. Number 25 अगर तुम बिल्डिंग का ध्यान ना रखते तो हमसे मिस हो जाती और हम आगे निकल जाते. Had you not kept an eye out for the building, we would have missed it and moved ahead. So to keep an eye out for something is an idiom which means to watch carefully for something to appear यानी किसी चीज़ के आने का ध्यान रखना. Number 26 अगर उन्होंने मुझे अपने ड्राइवर के तौर पर ना रखा होता तो हम बेघर हो जाते. Had they not taken me on as their driver, we would have been homeless. So to take on means to employ. Number 27 अगर तुम्हें बचपन में नाचना पसंद आ जाता तो अब तक तुम एक्सपर्ट बन चुकी होती. Had you taken to dancing as a child, you would have been an expert by now. So to take to something, a phrasal verb which means to like something. Number 28 अगर तुमने अपने शब्द वापस ले लिए होते तो बात इतनी आगे ना बढ़ती. Had you taken back your words, things wouldn't have snowballed like this. So to take back, a phrasal verb for वापस लेना, and to snowball, आगे बढ़ जाना या escalate हो जाना, मामला आगे बढ़ना. Number 29 अगर तुम अपनी मम्मी पर गई होती तुम में भी ज़्यादा पेशेंस होती. Had you taken after your mother, you too would have had more patience. Number 30 अगर उस दिन तुम उन धमकाने वालों के खिलाफ खड़े हो जाते तो जूनियर्स में तुम्हारी इज्जत और बढ़ जाती. Had you stood up to those bullies the other day, you would have risen further in the esteem among the juniors. Now from numbers 31 to 50, we do a mix of the three types we've done so far. Yani, first with the if clause in the beginning, then with the if clause in the second position, and then also with the inverted form where we use had in the beginning. Let's begin. Number 31. अगर तुमने गपशप करने में इतना टाइम वेस्ट ना किया होता तो हम टाइम से वापस आ जाते. If you hadn't wasted so much time shooting the breeze, we would have got back in time. So to shoot the breeze, an idiom which means गपशप करना. Number 32. अगर तुमने सोचने में इतना टाइम ना लगाया होता तो अब तक हमें होटल मिल चुका होता. Had you not spent so much time dilly-dallying, we would have found a hotel by now. So to dilly-dally means to waste time deciding or to procrastinate. Number 33. अगर तुमने बिना सोचे समझे ना बोला होता तो आज तुम इस मुसीबत में ना होते. You wouldn't have been in this mess had you not shot from the hip. I know it sounds funny, but shoot from the hip is an idiom which means to speak or react without thinking. बिना सोचे समझे कुछ बोलना या करना. Number 34. अगर हमारी सोच इस बात को लेकर मिलती तो अब तक हमारा झगड़ा सुलझ चुका होता. Our dispute would have been sorted out by now if we had seen eye to eye on the matter. So to sort out, which means solve, and see eye to eye means to agree on something or have the same opinion about something as the other person. Number 35. अगर तुमने इस पर दोबारा सोचा होता तो शायद तुमने बेहतर फैसला लिया होता. Had you given it a second thought, maybe you would have made a better call. So to give something a second thought, to reconsider and make a call, another way of saying take a decision. Number 36. अगर तुमने मेरी बात मानी होती तो तुम सारी भीड़ में अलग नजर आते. If you had heard me out, you would have stood out of the crowd. So to stand out means अलग नजर आना, stand out from the crowd, भीड़ से अलग दिखना. Number 37. मैं एक दिन की सैलरी गवा बैठता अगर तुम मेरी जगह ना होते या तुमने मेरी जगह ना ली होती. I would have lost a day's salary had you not stood in for me. Stand in for someone, a phrasal verb to be a substitute for someone or to take someone's place. Number 38. अगर हमने इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स ना झेली होती तो आज हमें इतना तजुर्बा ना होता. Had we not run up against so many problems, we would not have been this experienced today. So to run up against means to face or to encounter किसी चीज़ का सामना करना. Number 39. अगर तुमने मेरे लिए सिफारिश ना की होती तो शायद मुझे ये नौकरी ना मिलती. If you hadn't put in a good word for me, I might not have landed this job. So to put in a good word, किसी को recommend करना या फिर किसी की सिफारिश करना. Number 40. अगर तुमने क्रेडिट कार्ड का सही ढंग से इस्तेमाल किया होता तो आज तुम पर इतना कर्जा ना चढ़ा होता. If you had used the credit card more responsibly, you wouldn't have run up so many debts. To run up, to gather, accumulate, इकट्ठा कर लेना, usually used for debts. Number 41. तुम्हारे डायलॉग्स गलत ना जाते अगर तुमने स्क्रिप्ट पर एक नज़र मार ली होती. You wouldn't have gone wrong with your dialogues had you run through the script once. So to run through means to read quickly. Number 42. अगर प्याज ख़त्म ना हुए होते तो मैं सब्ज़ी बना देती. If the onions hadn't run out, I would have prepared the vegetable dish. So to run out means to finish. Coming to number 43. आज अगर तुम मार्केट में ना मिलते तो मेरा काम रह जाता. If I hadn't run into you at the market today, my work would have been left undone. So to run into someone, meet someone by chance. Number 44. अगर हमें चेंजेस के बारे में पता होता तो हम प्लान ना बनाते, हम सिचुएशन के हिसाब से चलते. Had we known about the changes, we wouldn't have planned. We would have played it by ear. So to play something by ear, an idiom which means act according to the situation. हालातों के हिसाब से आगे बढ़ना. Number 45. अगर तुमने मुझे समझाया ना होता तो मैं उसे झेल ना पाता. If you hadn't talked me through it, I wouldn't have been able to put up with him. So to talk somebody through something means to help someone understand something, and to put up with someone means किसी को बर्दाश्त करना, to tolerate someone. Number 46. अगर उसने मुझे अपने साथ रहने ना दिया होता तो मुझे जगह ढूंढने में मुश्किल पड़ जाती. If he hadn't let me put up at his place, I would have had a hard time finding a place for myself. So put up at a place, live or stay at a place, किसी जगह पर रहना. Number 47. अगर उसने मुझे बोल बोल कर पका ना दिया होता तो मैं और देर रुक जाती. If she hadn't talked my ear off, I would have stayed a bit longer. So to talk someone's ear off, to talk too much and annoy them, किसी को बोल बोल कर परेशान कर देना. Number 48. अगर मैंने समय पर आग ना बुझाई होती तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाता. If I hadn't put out the fire on time, who knows what would have happened. So to put out, to extinguish यानी बुझाना. Number 49. हम मुश्किल में पड़ जाते अगर तुमने शादी पोस्टपोन ना की होती. We would have been in a tough spot if you hadn't put off the wedding. So the phrasal verb put off, which means to postpone. And number 50. अगर हम पूरी तरह चौकन्ने होते तो हम मौका ना गवाते. Had we been on our toes, we would not have missed the boat. So to be on one's toes, to be prepared to act, and to miss the boat, to miss the opportunity.